Hey guys, wanted to check in real quick. I've had a few people ask me how to go about finding jobs that are work from home permanently or remote opportunities permanently, not just for COVID. So I wanted to show you a couple options that you could do. Now the first is, I'm going to just look up billing and coding jobs. The first is right here. So if you go to Google and you search in something jobs, you could do anything. You could do maybe cooking jobs. I don't know if that's going to populate anything. Yeah, so they're right here. And it'll pull this up every time you do that. So billing and coding jobs is where we're at. And this will pop up. So this is Google Jobs. How Google Jobs works is they kind of scrub the internet. Google scrubs the internet job boards and finds them and posts them in this one location. If you click here, 100 more jobs, it'll pull up kind of this view here. And you can go in and you can check different titles. Now, these are titles that are going to be relative to billing and coding. And you can click those. It'll help you kind of expand your search. Location, it'll pull up some that are closest to the location that I had here. New to you, have you seen them before, have you not? Date posted, within 1 day, 3 days, past week, 1 month. Type, full-time, part-time, contractor, internship. I'm going to assume you probably want either full-time or part-time. Company type, I would select all three, to be honest, and an employer. And I wouldn't check this. I would just check all. So where you're going to go to find specific work from home jobs is this button here. And it will compile all opportunities that they've scrubbed. That's not obviously every opportunity on the internet, but the ones that they've scrubbed from the internet. They'll compile them and put them here. Now you can do anywhere, theoretically, because it's remote. So you can, find jobs that are maybe listed in another state, but because they're a remote opportunity, you'll still be able to do them. So you won't necessarily have to do 2, 5, 15 miles or whatever. You could do anywhere. The other thing is the state posted. So this is going to pull all. If I wanted to find some that within the last couple of days, I can do 3 days. And then we'll go back and we'll see. So this is all of the ones that we have to check through. And there's quite a few of them, as you can see. Now you'll see things like Upwork, and I don't know if I can find any other ones here, but some of these are actual sites that people post, employers post remote opportunities solely. So be wary of that because Upwork isn't the company, Upwork is just that site. So you can go in and click on these. It'll tell you where you would, where you'll go to find the application or the link to the application here. The other thing I want to show you is on Indeed. So I've got billing and coding in remote. That's what I searched in remote. You can do location. Now you can, because it's remote, it'll pop up not relative to a certain location. Like this one's Nashville General Hospital. Date posted again. Let's do 3 days. We can limit it down. Now it's going to be 9 jobs. Same thing. You'll find some that are remote. Now, in an earlier email, I had said that make sure to check that it's actually remote and not just remote for COVID. Typically, you'll want to scroll down and see here, because it might say something like this is actually an in-office opportunity, but it's only allowed to work from home because of COVID. Sometimes it's not very obvious, like this one. Just by looking at it, I can't really tell. So it doesn't hurt if you're unsure. It doesn't hurt to still apply. Go to the company's site. Maybe you can find more information. This one's kind of loading pretty slow. But yeah, it's not really giving us a lot of information on here. I would imagine that it is truly remote. I would hope that they would tell us otherwise. But just be wary that sometimes they're not going to come right out and say that for whatever reason. So anyways, if you have any questions on here, on any of these, just let me know. Be mindful that you can also check like a ZipRecruiter, a LinkedIn, something of that sort. In fact, let's go to LinkedIn. We'll see if we can do the same thing there. Here's my LinkedIn, and I encourage everyone to have a LinkedIn, especially if you're looking for an office type position. That's pretty cool. So you can actually go to jobs, and then let's do the same search. So billing and coding, and then I believe you can do, you type in remote and it pre-populates work at home, and here they are. Here they are, remote, 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 remote. And then let's see, I mean, just for fun, some of you are interested in becoming a medical receptionist. Let's search to see if they have any of those. It looks like not as many. Not as many for the medical receptionist, I would imagine, because just by the nature of what that job entails. But yep, I mean, there's one here. One here. So, yep, we've got a couple opportunities to check on different job boards for these remote positions. There's also ZipRecruiter. If anybody has not used ZipRecruiter, let me know. I'll do a short tutorial on that. There's Glassdoor, Ohio Means Jobs. There's a couple different places where you can find these remote opportunities. And even if you're interested in a certain company, remote opportunities, check that out. Go to university hospitals and type in remote work from home and see if anything populates. All right, well, that is it for today. As always, please let me know if you have any other questions, any suggestions on other tutorials that I could do, and looking forward to hearing some feedback from you. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.